Good morning children. Today we will learn important thing, that is a geometry box. So first is geometry box contains the sum of the tools. First one is ruler. We call it as a ruler or scale. Okay, to draw and measure the line segment. Second one is compass. So we have compass. A pencil holder. Here it has a pencil holder. I can insert pencil in this like this. See, here it has a metal arm, one metal arm, so that I can fix and move the angle like this. Fine. One more is divider. A divider has two metal arms with a pointed ends. It will be same like this, and it will be having two metal points. If you see page number 155 of your textbook, you are going to understand. Next is protractor. So a protractor is a D-shaped or semicircular transparent tool. So it is used to measure the angle. Here angles are there, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 till 180. So this is called a protractor. Next, set square. So two transparent triangles are called set squares. Fine. This will be there in your geometry box. You can go through. So now using scale, how you are going to measure a line segment. Suppose if I draw a line, if I ask you to measure the length of the line segment, how you are going to measure? So place one end over here 0, so other end, it will end at 0.8. So you start one end should be placed with on 0 mark, and other you measure. So this length AB is 8 centimeters. See, AB is having measure 8 centimeter. So easily you can place one more line just without scale and measure. So draw two endpoints and place the line here. So it is 4. And these lines, you see, we have a small lines over here. When you observe, so it is a 1, 2, 3, 4. So how you are going to measure these small lines? We call 4.1. Small lines are millimeters. They are millimeters. When millimeter, 10 millimeters make a 1 centimeter. Here 10 lines are there in between 0 and 1. So it is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Big line indicates it is 4 centimeter. But in between here we have small points. Count them. How many points are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.4 we'll write. These small lines are a 0.4 centimeter. So these complete lines are 4 centimeters. These small points are 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the millimeters. So millimeters will write 4.4 centimeter. 4 lines are there. So after 4, small 4 lines are there. If you observe 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood? But how you are going to draw a line? Construction of line segment using a scale and divider. So first, if I ask you people to draw a straight line measuring 4.1 centimeter. How are you going to write? Draw. First step, draw a big line. Okay, draw a big line. And here mark point A. If you are asked to write AB is equal to 4.1 centimeter, only one side arrow mark and one dot. It is a AU mark, first letter of the. Then take your, so insert the pencil in the compass. We call it as a compass. You know, this is a compass. And using compass and scale, place it in a different part other than the book. So in right, mark this on, place this on 0 mark and 4.1. 4.1. Exactly one small line after 4. I will show you. So here it is on 0 and it is 4.1. Okay, after you fix it, place like this and don't move the pencil. You try to hold this and place it on point A where you have marked earlier and cut the arc like this. So it is your point B. So when you measure, you are going to get exact measurement of the line 4.1. Isn't it 4.1 centimeter? This is how you are going to draw a line. Suppose if I ask you to draw a line CD is equal to 6.5 centimeter. How you are going to draw? First step, draw a big line. Draw and mark here C, first letter. Okay, 6.5. So where is 0? Here. Okay, fix it and move it till 6.5. 6.5. What? 6.5. Like this, you place it. Drag it. So this needs a lot of patience. Okay. And without moving this, hold the edge. Okay. Hold the edge like this. Fix on a point C and cut the arc. Cut the arc. So this is a D. So using scale, so you can write 4.1 centimeter here. Here it is 6.5 centimeter. Use scale and measure the angle. Yes, it is exactly 6.5. Exactly 6.5 centimeter. So this is how we construct the line segment using a compass and a scale. So we'll move to exercise part. Exercise 5.2. Measure the length of the following line segments and write values below each. So use a scale here. place the scale on 0. And measure like this. So when you measure, it is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Here it is slight less than 3. So small line is there. So when you count